I am so excited to talk about our new handheld pool vacuum. We got this for our hot tub. It does come with an instruction manual on how to operate it, use it, and care for it. And it does have a replacement filter. So you can see my husband using it here. So it's good for an above ground, a hot tub, a pool. I'm going to point out it's cordless. It's a cordless vacuum, so you're not tied to a wall or a plug. It does have an extendable pole, so it's a rechargeable vacuum. We find ourselves using this all the time. Sometimes dirt settles at the bottom or little rocks. Instead of having to drain the whole thing or fish in with a net, we can easily use our vacuum. So here's an up close view of us vacuuming the seats. It works really well. With this expandable pole, it gets to about 87.5 feet, so nice and long. So here I'm zooming in on some little rocks and dirt and settlement, and you can just see how quick and easy it sucks it right up. So watch it in action.